So note this point. Now you are going to see consider the reduction reaction is equilibrium process. Equilibrium means del G value is 0. 0 means only the equilibrium reaction. Del G value is less than 0 means the negative, the reaction is spontaneous. Already you know. Del G value is greater than 0 means the positive, the reaction is non-spontaneous reaction. Already you know the concept. Okay, now we are going to take them. Now we are going to take them del G naught. We are going del G in the equation. We are going to take the standard Gibbs free energy values. Equation you are going to take. Standard means you are going to add the del G naught you are going to add it. But del G naught is equal to del G H naught minus T del S naught. Okay, so in this Ellingham diagram only you are going to take the x-axis del G naught value only you are going to take the x-axis. So now you are going to calculate the del G naught values. Okay, del G naught values now we are going to calculate. So already you know the equation del G is equal to del G naught plus RT ln Q. Okay, in the Ellingham diagram says Ellingham diagram calculates the del G naught values at the various temperature. Consider the reduction as the equilibrium process. என்ன சொல்றாரு? All the reduction process are equilibrium அப்படினு யார் சொல்றது? Ellingham says. So the del G values are 0. The del G naught plus RT, the reaction is equilibrium means the Q is changes into K. Okay, so the del G is 0, del G is come here, the del G is equal to the term plus RT is changes into minus RT ln K. This formula you are going to calculate the metal oxide formation reactions oda del G naught value நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம் இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் மூலமா கண்டுபிடிச்சு அந்த வேல்யூவை இதில் plot பண்ணுறோம். You are going to plot the y axis. ஓகேவா, இந்த del G naught வேல்யூவை எந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் மூலமா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாரு? the minus RT ln K ஈக்குவேஷன் மூலமா கண்டுபிடிச்சு எந்த இதில் plot பண்ணுறாரு? இந்த x axisல. So you are going to plot the y axis. Y axisல different formation reactionல y axisல plot பண்ணி அதுக்கும் டெம்பரேச்சருக்கும் இதில் உள்ள டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டை வச்சு என்ன சொல்கிறாரு? Ellingham diagram explain பண்ணுறாரு. So we are going to explain the Ellingham diagram. Okay. Now we are going to see the straight line equation. Okay, but this is the straight line equation. The del G naught is equal to del H naught minus T del S is the straight line equation. In the straight line, already you know the straight line equation formula. Y is equal to mx plus c. Then you here write the c plus mx. So y is already you know in the graph you are take the y in the del G value is taken in the y. X value means x is the temperature. So x is the temperature. So del x is the x, del s is the x, m is the t is the m. T is the m, del s is the del h is the c. Okay, so temperature del s means s means temperature is the x axis. Okay, x axis. Next c m is the temperature. X is the temperature, m is the del s. Okay, m is the del s. Okay, now we are going to x is the temperature, you are taken in the x axis. So y is the del G naught value is taken in the y axis. Okay, so the y intercept is equal to del G naught. The slope is equal to del G naught This is the important aspect.